Hello, this is Turker from Audac. In this video, we will see how to configure NPM200 for paging and voice file announcements working with LUNA-F. Let's configure our NPM200 first and set the target device, our Luna. Let's select Dante input 1 for paging and Dante input 2 for voice file. You can see it's already set on the Dante controller. So first, for the voice file, you can create a voice file, for example, a ding dong, a bell. Then later you need to create a dashboard. Let's say we want to make announcement for two zones. Zone 1, Zone 2, and both zones together. Let's say all. Right? Then our voice file event, which is bell. Let's make it a little bigger. And finally, push to play. Okay. Once you're done, save it. It will automatically appear on your dashboard. And let's go to our device, Luna. Don't forget to enable your Dante channels, Dante input 1 for announcement and Dante input 2 for voice file. Let's select Zone 1 and press. You can see we're announcing. Let's select all channels. Say you can Zone 1 and 2 while making the announcement. And let's select the bell as well. You can see in the Dante input 2, there's a bell. That easy. Thank you for watching.